Hey guys, Jonathan here with Colorado Custom Covers and Decks again. Today want to go over waterproofing your deck. As you can see, this deck here has been waterproofed. We use Trex RainEscape, and with the Trex RainEscape system, I believe is one of the best waterproofing systems out there, which we'll get into that a little bit later. But so when we waterproof our deck, you get to be able to then create another livable space underneath your deck. And so for this particular job, we put tongue and groove, we waterproofed it, tongue and groove it, put in our beams and our gutter system right there. If we have a cantilever, we could put our gutters on the other side. We can also do heaters in here, and eventually if you really wanted to, what you could do is close this off and actually make it a room. Put a door in there, heater in there, and actually just make it another room. And so that's just a bunch of different options you can do with waterproofing this underneath there. I mean, just look at how much of a living space they have now that will never touch water. You'll never get snow in here unless it blows, but it's just a great space to stay, especially in the summer and it's hot out, the sun's beating down on you. Say if you don't have a spot to be able to put a cover on your deck, but you really want to escape the shade or the sun and have some shade, you can waterproof your deck and then create that underneath area as your shade area in the summer. And then in the winter time, you can still get that sun that you want through your windows and everything to keep the house warm during the winter. And so there's a bunch of different options. I mean, yeah, the price is obviously a little bit more than when you waterproof it than if you don't, but the benefits it brings outweighs the extra cost that it would be. So like I said, there's just many different things you can do once you waterproof it and make it another room. So you got to walk out deck and you're kind of back and forth thinking about waterproofing, I would highly recommend going that route. You won't regret it. I mean, like I said, you have another room, an awesome outdoor room. Turn it into a man cave, put a pool table down here, put in a foosball table, ping pong table. I mean, there's a bunch of cool stuff you can do. We can put an outdoor bar on the outside here. I mean, it's a bunch of cool stuff you can do with it. But so again, just another thing you think about, maybe waterproofing your deck. Guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate all your views, and check out our Facebook page at Covers and Decks, and also our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers. Thanks.